been away for so many days, I'm missing it all. Where did our time go? I'm scrolling through pictures saved on my phone. I wanna go home, and I don't know why, but I'm so sentimental. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared and all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. I gotta say, there's too many days when I feel alone. So I pray to God, and then He reminds me I'm not alone. He gave me you. Oh, it's just so easy to be sentimental. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared and all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. And when I find myself in pieces on the ground, you pick me up and turn me back around. And any day could be our last, so I'll be holding on to all the love we found. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without you? Thank you for the love.
I would need 1,000,000 words if I tried to define all the things you mean to me. For you I'd die 1,000 lives, special kind of energy. 'Cause love is born when hearts collide. Every time you touch me, you remind me that I'm still alive. So promise you never change, and I'll always be the same. We'll be dancing the same groove when we're 92, the same as 17. And I'll never lie to you, just don't you hold back on me. I wanna love you as strong when we're 92, the same as 17. I don't really know what's right, but I could never call you wrong. I just wanna dance with you, floating over marble floors. You're something like an angel, you do something to my mind. I could see 1,000 years when I'm looking in your eyes. Promise you never change, and I'll always be the same. We'll be dancing the same groove when we're 92, the same as 17. And I'll never lie to you, just don't you hold back on me. I wanna love you as strong when we're 92, the same as 17. Just promise you never change, and I'll always be the same. We'll be dancing the same groove when we're 92, the same as 17. And I'll never lie to you, you hold back from me. I wanna love you as strong when we're 92, the same as 17.
It's my baby, it's my love. Touching you slowly, love how you hold me. I was a player, that was the old me. I sent to pay ya for something holy. Got naked and showed me, girl, summer's been lonely, yeah. At first, I was hesitant, like a skeleton. You 20, but intelligent. Now all the mother bitches so relevant, oh yeah. 10 lines and some memories. Guess someone got the best of me. Chef B with the recipe, yeah. With you it's a better me. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. Oh yeah. Love you through the better days, love you through the rainy ones. Champion, you number one, yeah that's true. But I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you, oh yeah. Yes I do, chillin' top floor with a penthouse view. But that don't mean a thing unless I'm next to you. Cause money just money, let's just spend it on you. Next to me, when I'm with you, you bring out the best in me. God made you a twin, but you the one I see. But shout out to Alicia, that's my baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But if I wrote you a love song, would you sing it? If I need a bail out of jail, would you bring it? If I win, then we're up. If we fail, then we wing it. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I do. Love you through the better days, love you through the rainy ones. Champion, number one, yeah that's true. But I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you, oh yeah. That's my baby, yeah. My baby, my baby, yeah. That's my baby, yeah. My baby, my baby, yeah.
But if we look at it from afar, maybe we're just better off on our own. 'cause you know it hurts when you find the words to say to me. Can you be the man you say you'll be? Am I who you wanna be with? Or what? 'Cause you break me down to build me up. I thought what we had was good enough. You're asking me these questions I don't need. You say you want home, and I'll hold you right here, and I'll take you all to myself. Say you don't know, but we're almost there. It was easy when we didn't know what love
New York on Sunday, big city taking a nap. Slow down, it's Sunday. Life's a ball, let it fall right in your lap. If you've got troubles, just take 'em out for a walk. They'll burst like bubbles in the fun of a Sunday in New York. You can spend time without spending a dime watching people watch people pass. Later you pause and in one of the stores there's that face next to yours in the glass. Two hearts stop beating, you're both too breathless to speak. Love smiles her greeting, then the dream that has seen you through the week comes true on Sunday in New York. So you can take a short nautical break. They've got boats by the lake for hire. If there's a storm, you just may get on home and get cozy and warm by a fire. By Monday morning, you're both agreed it was fate. As day comes dawning, if you can't pick the spot or set the date, you met on Sunday, New York on Sunday. So make it Sunday in New York.